With Archer having over $1 billion cash on hand for its path towards commercialization, and their Midnight eVTOL aircraft launch that's expected to launch in the UAE this summer, with Abu Dhabi Aviation already on board. There's even more optimism with the FAA certification process in the US progressing further. To make things even better, Archer has been chosen as the official air taxi provider for the 2028 LA Olympic and Paralympic Games and Team USA in an exclusive deal. The partnership will involve Archer's Midnight eVTOL aircraft transporting VIPs, fans, stakeholders, providing support for emergency services and security, and electrifying vertiport takeoff landing hubs at key venues. Some of the main benefits of this deal are reducing noise and emissions compared to traditional helicopters. The plan is to establish a network of vertiports in key locations, which includes critical visitor hubs such as the stadium in Inglewood, the Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum, Hollywood, Orange County, Santa Monica, and the airport. The deal also grants access to storytelling opportunities throughout NBC Universal's coverage of the 2026 and 2028 Olympic Games. At the same time, there are also inroads for defense applications, since Archer is also partnering with Palantir Technologies to integrate AI into aviation systems and collaborating with Anduril to develop a military-grade eVTOL. CEO Adam Goldstein says they're pushing boundaries of what's possible, and investor confidence seems to be growing. Adding to bullish sentiment, the company can go from pre-revenue concept to an impactful operator in next-gen aviation well before the decade ends. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.